called Guardian Roof and Gutters because I had a leaky gutter, and I had tried in the past to get it fixed twice, but I couldn't get it fixed. So I called the professionals, Guardian, and they came out, and Tanner came out and he inspected my whole roof. And it was kind of interesting because when he came to explain what the problem was, he had like a whole video of my roof, and it was really cool. He suggested I get new gutters, and I thought, that's probably the way to go. So Tanner and I went over it and decided that I just needed new gutters. I already had the fascia board, and then I got the dome covering for the gutters, because now for the first time in years, I don't have to get in the back, get the ladder, and clean out all the leaves, pine cones, clean out the downspouts, and they're beautiful. The gutters and downspouts are absolutely beautiful. I just really have nothing but good things to say about them. I would say Guardian rocks.